First five for us around the studio. At the center court, please.
Which one? You want me to choose or you want to choose?
First five for us around the studio. Number 7, Cameron. Number 10, Lipa. Number 21,
I know you like
Rula.
that.
Number 15, Santos. And number
No, I didn't see him.
to one.
I was like,
Officials for
If it
tonight.
wasn't
Jordan and
there,
Ryan.
I can let it slide.
let's go, let's go.
This is the last game of our week 5. Luminakin versus Laksanang Studios. First possession belongs to Luminakin. Cabral to Kamigi. Pass. Stolen by Rula. Rula to JD. Wide open tray. Too strong. Mendoza with the ball. Cabral to Taylor from deep. No good. Rebound Cameron. Cameron to Rula. Rula to Steven. Poor spacing for Laksanang Studios. Tuwayo to Cameron for a layup. Laksanang Studios strike first. 2-0 to the board. Taylor to Cabral. Cabral from deep. Too strong. Tuwayo secures the board. Justin, sizing up Cabral. Closer, batted by Mendoza, rebound. Tuanyo. Live by Rula, corner tray. Short. Mendoza with the ball. Mendoza to Cabral. To Fam. Fam. Facing double team. To Cabral. Cabral. Against Tuanyo. Cross-court pass to Taylor. Taylor moves closer. Short stop, short, rebound Taylor. One more time, this time is good for Taylor for two. Santos bounce pass, poked away by Pan. Denied by Mendoza, put back by Rulas no good, rebound Mendoza. Taylor to the screen. Ryan, there's a foul on the floor. Pushing foul on number 10, Life-High. First personal foul on Life-High, first team foul on Laksanang Studios. Baseline showing again. Inbound play. Pang with the layup, no good. Cameron with the ball. Life-High from edge of the basket for two. Off the pass of Rula. Taylor to Mendoza. Mendoza dancing with JD. Raya facing double team to Mendoza. Fires the triple. Bang! One-point game in favor of Luminakin. Rula dancing with Cabral. To Life-High. Life-High from deep. Yes, sir! The big man can shoot from the outside. 7-5 in favor of Laksanang Studios. Mendoza with the ball. To Taylor. Tapos na kay Trey. No good. Rebound is up to Mendoza. Poked away. Stolen by Cameron. Life-High forward pass to JD. Pass is too strong. Intended for Santos. Turnover for Laksanang Studios. Kamigi. Screen by Pam. Kamigi. Block from behind by Jay Santos. Rula, transition offense. Layup is good for Rula. Nine-4, 9-5 in favor of Laksanang Studios. Taylor pass. Intercepted by Tuanyo. Mula. Drive short of the layup. Rebound. There's a foul. Over the back foul on number 1. Tuanyo. First personal foul. Second team foul. 4-point game. In favor of Lumina Care. Bam, turn around Jay, too strong, Life 5 secures the ball. Santos, to Tuanyo. Tuanyo, pass, poked away, recovered by, jump ball, possession, Roxanne Studio. Santos to Life-Fi. Life-Fi, pass, deflected, poked away, and stolen by Taylor. Taylor drives. He gets fouled by Hula, number 21. Substitution rep, first personal foul, third team foul on Roxanne. Sub rep. Kenneth Cabral for Reggae Macintosh. 2 free throws coming right up for Taylor. 4-point game. Lumina Care down by 4. First free throw short for Irwin. One out of 2 for Taylor. Nine six in favor of Roxanne. Life-Fi to Santos. To Tuanyo. Tuanyo to Life-Fi. Full spacing again for Roxanne Studio. Tuanyo. To Rula. 5 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Tuanyo. Shot no good. Rebound foul. Next subret. Pam. Under the wrist. Possession space with Lumina Care. Subret. Substitution rep. Sub, JD or Tuanyo. Sabingin. Restua for Tuanyo. And JD for Canson. Ryan Fake. To Mendoza. Mendoza from deep short. Rebound Cameron. Cameron with the ball. Cameron. Hook shot. Shot is good for Cameron. The lead is 5 for Roxanne Studio. Macintosh against Restua. To Taylor. Taylor to Kamigi. Kamigi to Pam. Pam bounce it off to Mendoza. 4 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Ready up the heat. Never rebound. Life-Fi. Life-Fi to Rula. Rula to Life-Fi. Life-Fi backs it up to Restua for an easy serve. The lead is 7 for Roxanne Studio. Mendoza, pick up Jay. No good. Cameron. Ball space. Possession with Roxanne Studio. Rula with the ball. Rula to Life-Fi. Life-Fi to MJ. MJ to Life-Fi. Life-Fi recovers the ball. Jump ball possession. Lumina Care. Seven-point game in favor of Roxanne Studio. Taylor, short on the tray, rebound Cameron. Rula to Cameron, driving baseline. Pass deflected, recovered by Ganson. Ganson fires the dribble. Yes, sir! 10-point game in favor of Roxanne Studio. Behind the back pass by Taylor to Arabia. Highlighting Bastian's drive lane has been met. Mula sa Sandela. There's a foul on the floor, bonus number 3, Ryan Kaligi. First personal foul, first team foul. Mula will go to the line for 2. Shot clock is off. Hula, giving the first free throw. Two out of 2 for Hula. That's the end of the first quarter. Official score: 18 for Rapsarano Studios and 8 for Lumina Tech. Second quarter possession belongs to Rapsarano Studio. Rapsarano Studios long ball. Banson. Turula. Una pang Kaabi. Ang Kaabi to Tuanyo. Tuanyo, played away Jerry. Short. Rebound come. Ryan. Dash it off to Mendoza. He does the foul. He's going to the line. Foul is on number 8, Al Kaabi. First personal foul, first team foul. Mendoza will shoot 3 free throws for Lumina King. First free throw is good for Mendoza. One out of 2 for Mendoza, rebound Canada. Hula, from deep, no good. Rebound, Ganson to Cameron. Cameron to Ganson. Shot is good for Ganson. Ryan denied by Cameron. Possession remains with Lumina Kaya. Mendoza corner tray, in out. Rebound Cameron. He's fouled from behind on number 3. Number 3, Ryan Camigin, second personal foul, first team foul. Sideline throw in for Arsenal team. Ganson with the ball. Ganson bounces it up to Cameron. Cameron, shot short. Rebound Mendoza. Mendoza to Ryan. Ryan, one shot. Shot is good to Ryan. Hansen faces to makes the bucket for Camigin. Tuano, thinking about taking the three. Toruna. Tuano, 3 seconds inside the clean turnover for Arsenal Studio. 20-11 is the score in favor of Arsenal Studio. Bam! Take, shot, veteran move, expedition for foul. Foul sa number 8, Sabret. Time out left, time out. At Al-Kaabi, second personal foul, second team foul. Time out. Arsenal Studio. 7 minutes and 8 seconds left in the second quarter. Okay, back to the ball game. 2 free throws for Joseph Sam. After the foul, fishing foul on fishing expedition fouled by Al-Kaabi. Live foul and Santos checks back in for Arsenal Studio. First free throw of the iron, no good for Joseph Sam. Second one is good for Pam. Well, 20 is the score. In favor of Arsenal. Live five to Santos. Santos from deep. Yes, sir! Booming triple for Santos. Taylor to Reyna. To Pam. Touch pass to Mendoza, resulting to a turnover. Mendoza coming down to the pass. Ganson to line 5. Line 5 bounce it off to Ganson. Ganson to JD. Left wide open. Short. Over the back foul is on number 10. Line 5. Second personal foul, third team foul. Yeah. Hopefully, Taylor is okay. He's shaking up. Over the back foul on number 10, Life Eye. Good sportsmanship shown by Life Eye. Checking on Taylor if he's okay. Hopefully he's okay. He's shaking up. Hopefully Taylor is okay. Cabral with the ball. To Fam. Fam to Taylor. Taylor, corner three. Yes, sir! This is definitely okay. He's okay. Tuano. Fade away, Jay. Money. Sweet move by Tuano. Unforced turnover for Luminacare. Substitute left. Rula for Stuart. 3 minutes and 29 left in the second quarter. 10-point game in favor of Roxanne Studio. Tuano. Traveling violation committed by Tuano. Step before the dribble. Resulting to a traveling violation. Radio to Cabral. Mendoza pushing foul on number 6. Ganson. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Sideline throwing for the white shirt. Mendoza to Fam. Fam, no good. No good. Rebound Lifey. Lifey to Santos. To Ganson. Ganson. Turn around Jay, no good. Rebound to Stua. To Tuano. To Lifey. Lifey. Post on the deck. Ball recovered by Fam. Mendoza with the handle. Mendoza step up three. Gets the Pentagon for three for Mendoza. 3-pointers good for Mendoza. The lead is 7. Sorry, it's 13, sorry, 13-point lead. Tuano to Ganson. Ganson poked away by Van. Recovered by Radia. To the shooting Taylor. Well, no good, but Mendoza is there for the cleanup. 25-20 is the score. It's stolen by Taylor. Taylor left to layup is good. 25-22 is the score. Tuano, wild shot. No good rebound, Pam. Taylor, screen by Cabral. To Pam. Pam missed. Unlucky rebound, Pam. Put back to the board. This is foul on the floor. Foul is on number 10, Lifey. That's 3 on Lifey. Penalty. Two free throws for Joseph Fam. Chance for Lumina Care to move closer. First free throw is off. 25-22 is the score. One out of 2 for Fam. Two-point game in favor of Roxanne Studio. 11 seconds differential within shot clock and game clock. Ganson to Lifey. Lifey to JD. JD running jumper. No good. Rebound Fam. Last 14 seconds. 12 seconds. Mendoza sees daylight. What is his role? What a rally by Lumina Care. into the second half of our week 5 last game between Lumina Care and Roxanna Studios. The Black 25 is the score. What a rally by Lumina Care in the second half. Third quarter possession belongs to Lumina Care. Taylor from deep. Yes, sir! Moving to goal for Taylor and Lumina Care with the lead now. Luna. Slick move. Shot batted by Punk. Rebound Mendoza. Forward pass to Cabral. Slicking Kamigi. Off. Unlucky. Rebound by Kangkaabi. Sorry, missed by Kamigi. Laifa. Pass to Luna. Jumper too strong. Rebound Mendoza. Kamigi to Mendoza. Mendoza driving baseline. Mendoza. Slithering down the court. Shot no good. Rebound Laifa. Pass easily by Taylor. Taylor with the ball. Transition 3. Short. Rebound Santos. To Cameron. Cameron attacking the defense of foul for an easy 2. Mendoza to Pham. Pham lefty layup short. Rebound Cameron. Cameron to Rula. Rula no pass on Al-Kaabi. Al-Kaabi to Rula. To Laifa. Laifa to JD. Wide open play. Makes them pay. Two-point game in favor of Roxanna Studios. Taylor to Pham. Cabral to Mendoza. Baseline jumper is good. Deadlock again. 30 apiece. Mula, corner three, short, rebound Taylor. Looks like Mendoza on a piece of that one. Bounce pass. Possession, Lumina Care. Turnover for Lumina Care. Chance for Roxanna to break the deadlock.
30.
30 all is the score.
Instant clock.
Blocked by Pham.
Clock is off.
Turnover for Roxanna Studios. Taylor turns the ball over, stolen by Cameron. Cameron to Santos. Cameron, floater no good. Rebound and Sapir. Al-Kaabi. Shot no good. Rebound Taylor. Cabral. Easy 2. 2-pointers good for Cabral.
Oh, okay.
Cameron, corner tray, no good. Rebound Taylor. Taylor, shot no good. Rebound Laifa. Gula, stop and pumps. Money for the short jumper. Turning the wall. Deadlock 32 is the score. Pham with the ball. Mendoza falls down the deck. Turnover for Lumina Care. Possession Roxanna Studios. 5 minutes and 42 in the third quarter. Still deadlock 32 all. Luna behind the back dribble. Pass to Santos. Cameron to JD. 8 seconds to shoot. Luna 5 seconds to shoot. Cameron loses the handle. Stolen by Mendoza. To the streaking Cabral. What's the layup? Rebound by Kamiging Puntak over rebound Rula. Rula shoots that. Money or Rula. Mendoza transition layup is good. What a counter by Lumina Field. Still deadlock again. 34-all. Rula step back 3 short. Rebound. Pump. Pump forward pass. Deflected by Cameron. Substitution up. Great hustle by Cameron. Al-Kaabi for Restua. 21 seconds left. Taylor. No good in the corner 3. Rebound Mendoza. Mendoza by the way, Jain Money. Quick move by Mendoza. 2-point lead by United. Santos looking for a teammate. To Rula. Pass to Santos. Santos fakes. Shot. No good. Rebound Rula. Rula. Put back over. Rebound JD. Put back still no good. There's a foul on the floor. Foul number 3. Substitution up. Kamiging third personal foul. First team foul. Tuanyo checks in for Santos. 2 free throws will be awarded to Hayden Rula. First free throw for Rula is good. Second one is good as well for Rula. Taylor to Cabral. Back to Taylor. Taylor. Mid-range J is good for Taylor. Next sublet. Stolen by Taylor. After turnover of San Antonio. Shot by Taylor. He will be fouled by Cameron. Substitution left. Foul on number 7. Cameron. First personal foul. First team foul. Taylor will shoot 2 free throws for Lumina Kill. First free throw for Taylor is good. Two out of 2 for Evan Taylor. 4-point game in favor of Lumina Kill. Rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza transition three. No good. Benson with the board. To Rula. Rula to Restua. To the cutting Benson. Benson. Pass to Rula. No look pass to Tuanyo. No good. Unlucky rebound come. Taylor. Mid-range J. Counter again for 2. Taylor is stolen by Pab. Cabral to Ryan. Ryan, long two. Money for Ryan. Everything is clicking for Lumina Kill. Rula. Against Cabral. Rula, taken away by Cabral. Recovered by Rula. Pass to Restua. July 5 for 3. Too strong. Rebound Taylor. Taylor to Ryan. Ryan out of pass to Cabral. Behind the pass to Mendoza. Missed it. Rebound Ryan. Ryan on the Euro. He's fouled. He will go to the free throw line for 2. Foul is on number 10. That's 4 on live fire, second team foul on Barcelona. Two free throws for Ryan Kennedy. First free throw is good for Ryan. That's the end of the third quarter. 2 out of 4 for Ryan Kennedy. Official score 46 for Lumina Care and 36 for Rock Serrano Studio. Okay, back to the ball game. This is the last and final quarter of our week 5 between Lumina Care and Rock Serrano Studios. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Rock Serrano Studios. Cameron jumper no good. Took away by Cameron to live by for Elizabeth. Taylor with the ball to Mendoza. Shot by Mendoza is good for 2. Line by Calvin, no good for Mendoza. Carlo to Cabral, back to Carlo. Carlo fakes, long 2. Money for Mendoza. Rock Serrano suddenly down by 12. Line 5 to JD. JD to Gonzon. Jumper is good for Gonzon. Ten-point game. Cabral to Taylor. Taylor from deep. Yes, sir! The lead is 13 for Lumina Care. Ganson. Ball recovered by Santos. Santos to Cameron. Took away by Ryan. Taylor to Cabral. Reverse layup is good. The lead is 15 for Lumina Care. Rula against Camidi. Driving baseline for reverse layup short. Rebound Mendoza. Taylor spins. Shot short. Rebound. Cameron. Forward pass to Rula. Transition layup is good. Mendoza drive, she gets fouled. Foul on number 7, Cameron. Second personal foul, first team foul. Mendoza will shoot 2 free throws for Lumina Care. Lumina Care with a 13-point lead. 7 minutes involved in the final quarter. First free throw is off the iron for Mendoza. 1 out of 2 for Mendoza. Cameron to JD, fake to Ganson, from deep, yes sir! Good dribble for Ganson. The lead is cut down to 11. McIntosh, dancing with Ganson to Carlo. McIntosh from deep, overshoot, rebound Cameron to JD. JD to Rula. Pass is too high and intended for Rula. Substitution up. Rabia for 5. Missed opportunity there for Hapsiramis to you. We saw a bit of turnover. Mendoza to Taylor. Taylor, no look pass to Ryan. Shot is good to Ryan Kennedy. Rula, sizing up. Taylor to Ganson, to Cameron. JD, wide open play, short. Ryan with the board. Ryan to Carlo. Baseline jumper, too strong. Rebound Cameron. Great backstop by Cameron. Rula, baseline J. Money for Rula. Lead is 11 for the white shirt. Taylor to Carlo. Ryan, running jumper, overshoots. Rebound Ganson, gets fouled by number 10, Taylor. First personal foul, first team foul. Substitutions up. Santos for Estua. 11-point lead by Lumina Care. Ganson. Elbow jumper. Money for Ganson. Lead is cut down to 9. Plenty of time left. Mendoza dancing with Rula. Shot, no good. He will go to the line. Foul number 21, Rula. Second personal foul, second team foul. First team is good for Carlo. One out of 2 for Mendoza. Cameron saves it to Ganson. Stolen by Cam for left to layup. Ganson. He will be fouled. Final trip. Foul number 33, Mendoza. First personal foul, second team foul. 10 out, drops around the field. 3 minutes and 9 seconds remain in the final frame.
Basketball action. This is your most people-winning tradition because we bringing anticipated Lumina Care Champions Series 2026 and building more than just houses. Create your forever home and bring your dreams to life.
Captain Morgan, we approach or eclipse the last 3 minutes of our last game. The final play, week 5 last game between Lumina Care and Rapsirano Studio. Lumina Care turned the tide around in the second quarter. First free throw for Ganson is good. One out of two for Ganson, rebound Taylor. Taylor against Restua. Taylor, leading jumper. No good, rebound Restua. Restua to Cameron. Cameron, strong leg to the basket, no good. Rebound Mendoza. McIntosh against Rula. McIntosh floater. Floater is good for McIntosh. Turnover for Rapsirano Studios. Turnover for Rapsirano Studios. Taylor against Restua. Taylor shot, uses the window for two. Stolen by Paul. Mendoza from deep, no good. Rebound Restua. Turnover by Restua, stolen by Kamigi to Paul for an easy serve. Rula to Cameron from deep, short, rebound Mendoza. Mendoza balls it off to Pham, no good. Rebound again by Mendoza, by Pham, big foul by number 7, Cameron. Third personal foul, third team foul. Last 2 minutes, a minute and 56 remaining in the final frame. Pham versus 2 free throws. First free throw is no good for Pham. Second one is no good. Last touch substitution left. Sub left. Substitution left. Al-Kaabi for Cameron. Pham, reverse layup, no good, rebound Ganson. MJ to Hula, easy two for Hula. And this is the for Lumina Care. Taylor drops it off to Mendoza for an easy serve. Hula, founded by Taylor. To Al-Kaabi. Al-Kaabi! Pham on the piece of that one! Great contest by Pham, rebound Mendoza. Taylor, shot short, but it's fouled by number 13, Restua. First personal foul, 1 for penalty. A minute and 24 left. First free throw short for Taylor. Second one still no good, rebound Tuanyo. Justin, transition 3, no good, rebound Ganson. Ganson shot no good. Rebound Ryan. Last 68 seconds. Ryan, hesitation move. Shot is good by Ryan. Hula bouncing off to Al-Kaabi. What a easy two. Raya, for 3, no good. The ball hit the base of the backboard, so possession of Rapsirano Studio. Restua to Al-Kaabi. Al-Kaabi, step back three, overshoot, Xavier with the ball. Xavier for three, no good. Rebound, Banson. Rula, long two, no good. Pass to Al-Kaabi, overshoot. Last touch on Roxanne Williams. Shot clock is off. Carlo dancing with Bruna. Pushing foul number 21, Bruna. Third personal foul, penalty rep, 2 shots for Lumina Care. Penalty. Penalty rep, penalty, 2 shots.
Shots,
2
2 shots.
shots. First free throw is good for Carlo. Second one is no good for Mendoza. Possession of Taranasio. Rula. Al-Kaabi for two. Maybe with a hit. That's the end of our last game. Official score 72 for Lumina Care and 56 for Roxanne Surya.